So today we're making a very special steak. Please don't hate on my version, it's all for a good cause. So this was a challenge started by Hayes Outdoors, and he wants to raise awareness for men's mental health. So you make your best steak you can in the bush. So I thought, why not give it a try, eh? Throw my version in the mix. So here we go. So the basic ingredients of this steak are chickpeas, nutritional yeast, and wheat gluten. Yeah, turning out nicely. Look at that structure, so meaty. So yeah, what about this men's mental health thing then? Well, it turns out that especially men not always are that open about their mental health. They don't really like to talk about it because maybe they feel like they're a bit macho, or I don't know. Anyways, it's good to talk about your mental health, right? If you have someone to share it with, people know, and you can find solutions or seek for professional help. Yeah, myself, I definitely haven't been always a happy person in my life. So then it's good to have someone, at least someone to talk about it. All mental problems are different. But for myself, it helped to go out there, develop myself, and find a passion. That's what I'm doing now, I guess. Look at them steak. I will share the recipe of this steak in the description. And it's actually a pretty cool video of some vegan guys which make awesome recipes. Boss.tv and the Happy Pear guys. It was a collaboration and they make this steak. So I'll try it out for the first time now. So let's see. Okay, I think that is done. Look at that meatiness. Whew. Digging a little hole here for an earth oven to pre-cook the steak before baking it on the embers. Okay, some leaves in there for isolation. Now I'm getting the hot rocks here. Throw them in here. Okay, now I have some mint leaves that I gathered. I'll throw them on here, like that. Steak on there. Well, maybe first a little bit of water. And seal that off. nice amount of wood on the fire to create a nice bed of embers. Oh, I feel the heat already. Look at that. Oh, that's very hot. That is very hot. There we have the steak. Clean my hands a bit. Oh, that's properly cooked, I would say. Bit of mint flavor in it. Marinate. Here comes the steak. Wow! Yeah, baking up nicely. Look at that. I think the other side has to be doing some more. Alrighty, got me some salad, and the steak is ready. It's a bit burned on the sides, but I guess that happens on the embers on the fire. Let us see how that is. Look at that. Look at that meatiness. Huh. Very good. It's probably not a steak, but you know, the structure is almost like it. Packed full of protein. What do you want more? Low impact on the environment. Of course, a real steak would taste good as well and has good nutritional value, but it has such a significant impact on our environment. For 1 gram in protein of beef, you need 1 square meter of land. 1 square meter. For 1 gram in protein in plants, you need only 1/25 of that, for example, for wheat. If we're talking about lentils, 100 of that. That's only this little corner. That's of course because beef cows are managed on extensively managed grasslands, so that takes a lot of surface, takes a lot of land. Still, if you would feed the cows with wheat, for example, you need at least 8 times the amount of wheat because of the food conversion rate. That's about 6 to 8 for a beef cow. Especially beef is very polluting. Talking about emissions, 50 times more than a plant burger, for example. And you know, it's especially beef that is so polluting and takes so much land. Chicken, for example, is a lot more efficient. Eggs, that's a lot better. But still, I'm choosing for the vegan way, for the environment. So I put the sources of all these numbers in the description. You can check that out. It's very interesting to see the impact of all our food on the planet. Of course, everybody can eat what he wants, but I just want to raise some awareness of especially the environmental impact of beef, because this takes so much land, and this land could otherwise be used for nature, for forest, where we can do bushcraft and stuff. Well, take care, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was interesting, a bit of an alternative variant of the steak. I know the steak is quite holy in bushcraft world. It's controversial what I'm doing here, I know, but I think this is the way forward. Eat more plant food. Anyways, thanks for watching. Check out the other videos. Subscribe to the Smooth Gefixt. Turn on the notification bell. Tell me what you think about the vegan burger. Maybe try it out. Give a like if you like it, or a dislike. I think I get a lot of hate on this video, but let's be nice, guys. Let's be nice. It's all for a good cause. And we see you next week again. Cheers.